We got us a badass tool here, courtesy of my father, used for measuring our spring height. We've got a little dial here that we can turn to adjust our height on a granite slab. This slab here is guaranteed true and flat. It's used for checking the heads. And pretty much what you do is you want to set the spring under there and see what the height is going to be with the whole assembly. We're going to make sure that we get rid of all that clearance right there, and it's just barely touching. We don't want to be pressing down on the spring, we just want to barely touch it so that it moves with no tension on it. So just about there. So we're actually going to want to measure it from the center of this, maybe right there. Bring that down just a hair, and there you go. That was very slight drag. This is from 0 to 12 inches, and we're looking at about, see, I actually didn't reset my gauge, but it doesn't really matter as long as we keep it right where it is. Then we'll go ahead and get the next one. Bring another spring here, spring underneath, and it's got a little bit more force on it. That one's nice and smooth. Go back to this other one here. Doesn't even touch. Doesn't even touch at all. So definitely a little bit taller than the other one. So this is a number 4 cylinder. So sorry, I got a whole bunch of fucking crap going on here. It's a fucking mess of all kinds of shit. But it's okay. I don't worry about that right now. I'm worried about measuring shit. Once again, here we go. These two are about the same. Number 3 and number 5 are about the same. And we got here, we gotta go on to number 2. Number 2 doesn't even fit. There it is, real tight, real tight. 2. And number 1. Whoa, no, it doesn't even touch. Number 1 is short. Number 1 is shorter. Yeah, pretty much is a tool that you could use to do that. I don't have a spring tension gauge, but you can also line them up, put a straight edge across the top. You check your straight edge with this granite slab, even make sure our straight edge is true. You can slap that bad boy down there and check for any light underneath it. But I know for sure that it's good, so I've checked it already. Sweet. And that's pretty much it. So what we'll do is we'll line them up and put a straight edge across the top, and we'll see what we get. So here, let's go ahead and do that now. So we got a true flat surface. You know that's number 1 over there. 1, 2. We got number 3 coming. Zoom out a little bit. 3. We got number 4 right here. And we got number 5. So what we'll do is we just lay a straight edge across the top. Stands on its own. Looks to me like an issue here with number 3. Definitely have some uneven spring height, very minor, but we'll let that go.